everyone, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and what we're going to discuss today is taking a really simple concept, a one-string scale, and then making it into something interesting. So this can be for a beginner guitar player all the way to a more advanced guitar player. So we're going to take an E minor scale on one string like this, and I'll call out the frets as we go. We start with open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret, 10th fret, and we're only going to go to the 12th. Then practice it backwards, 12, 10, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 0. So that's how that works. So practice it, learn the numbers, only use one finger to start. Then we're going to do this. We're going to do a pedal point lick, which means hit the open string in between each moving fretted note, like this. Now we're going to make it a little more advanced, so we're going to go. So that's 3, 2, 0, 5, 3, 0, 7, 5, 0, 8, 7, 0, 10, 8, 0, 12, 10, 0. So what you want to do is mess with those, experiment with it, do pull-offs, hammer-ons maybe. And mess around with it. You could eventually go up higher on the fretboard. I'm going to show you two common riffs that are built off of this idea. The first one is from the Exorcist theme, and it goes like this. And the next one is Wasted Years from Iron Maiden, and that goes like this. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Experiment with the scale, see what you can come up with. Try it on different strings. You could do the same thing on the 6th string, any of the strings. Whichever string you choose decides the key. So if you play it on the G string, you're playing a G minor riff. 6th string. So I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel for future updates. We'll see you in the next lesson.